it's Red Big Head here, and today we're playing Rolling Thunder on Roblox. Ethan's laptop broke, so he's probably not going to be posting next week either. I'm sorry for not posting last week. I had to get some summer work done because school started today. So, you know. I scouted out this game a little bit yesterday. It's pretty fun. The only thing I don't like though, yep, it's got the, whoa. See, it's really cool. It's got these sorry, my voice cracked. It's got these character skins. Let's get into it. This is a really fun game. We got right there. See, so this game is quite loud. Whew. Man. Oh, well, match ended as soon as it started. I'm gonna turn down the game volume a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna. Ooh, this is really cool. Oh, you can see the other team over there. Whoa, man. Yeah, this game is super loud for me. Man, I gotta turn this down in OBS a little bit more, actually. No, I haven't. What are you talking about? Eee, that sucks. Man, I just got sniped with the pistol. Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. I'm not gonna die again. Ah! Man, these guys are like absolutely just taking this place down, bro. He threw a grenade in here. Okay. Took him out. Man, and then I gotta reload. Dang it. Man, yesterday I was carrying my team. Now I'm doing the opposite, I guess. Ooh. Man! Who just comes from behind you like that? It's rude. I just spawned in. What do you mean I've been spotted? Yeah, well, the mortar strike is deadly. E. I have 3 deaths, bro. That's not good. My KD ratio isn't doing great right now, bro. I'm going 11 for 11. At least I'm not negative. Oh no. Man, I know that I do it too, but they should really make it so that you can't just nerf, so that you can't just mortar strike a spawn. What? No. He should be dead right now. Totally, bro. E. Man. We're not doing very good this round. What? Man. I'm just not good at this game. I was yesterday. What? Man. Man, they need to start giving spawn immunities. Nope. I'm gonna go flank them. I mean, if I don't get caught in crossfire, I just gotta try and stay in the down low and try and not get spotted. Yeah, I'm still going even, bro. Bro, stop shooting at me! We're not the same team, bro. This guy right here. Come on, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go behind here. Watch, and we're gonna throw a grenade. Do. Man. I mean, he's dead. Yes, I will take a turn, if you do not mind. They flanked us! So, for those of you who don't know, if you flank somebody, that means that you go from behind them, their team. Like when that person just killed me from going into our spawn, that's flanking. It said I had spawn protection, did it not? People can't just have snipers like that. They're all just raiding our spawn. No way. And then they're just mortar striking. That's not fair. How can a game let people just raid your spawn so then you can't do anything when you spawn in? See? Then they just go into our spawn. It's so not fair. Hey, game devs, if you're watching this, can you fix it so that people can't go into our spawn? It's very annoying. Well, where'd it go? Oh, hey, there it is. And match ended. Scoreline reached defeat. Again, make it so that they can't go into our spawn. This is going to be the end for our video, guys. Thank you for watching. It was a very fun game. I would recommend it. The only problem with this game is that people can go into your spawn, and then they can just spawn kill you. Only thing I don't like about it. Aside from that, it's a great game. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.